So, video today concerns these sensors, these types of sensors. The one where you screw on the stem valve. I tried to repair it. I've had these for like 11 months, and basically what happens is they start to leak right here where it meets the rubber part, and I'll show you what happens is depending on how it gets torqued. See, this is what happens to it, right? This is the only little piece of rubber that's able to hold it from air leaking. It doesn't matter, right? Because even if you didn't torque it and you basically just tighten it, it still will leak, because in the winter, this is what's happening. It's starting to leak slowly because winter cold contracts. Anyways, all that rubber gooey stuff is efforts of me attempting to seal the leak. It didn't really help as much, so I decided to just go ahead and get new TPMS sensors. These are the full rubber stems. So pretty simple. It's just basically going ahead and opening out this tire valve, letting all the air out, and see here. Pretty much once you let all the air out, you take that valve stem from inside out. It's going to be a hole like that, and what you want to do is use a clamp, compress that. I'll show you in the next video. Oh, actually, you know what? Refer to my video where I repair the seal, and you'll go ahead and see that also, how I basically clamp this down to remove that and replace it. But I'll try to do it in this video also. First, this is how you break the bead. This is my way of doing it. This is jack it up. I saw it on another video, worked really well, so I'm doing it here. Once you break the bead, then what you do is you release it, go back. I use a flat panel like this. This is for the RV, for the stands, and I lay it on there underneath this, and I'll show you in the video, and then it's able to compress it. But I'm gonna go ahead and break the bead first. All right, now that the bead is broke, this is how I place that pad. What it does is it pushes down the tire enough to allow me to get to the sensor. So I'll demonstrate it after I get it down. So this is what it looks like once you get it down, and it's just a matter of unscrewing this, which I'm gonna do, and then I'll make sure you use a brush to brush any debris or anything from the top of this opening and the bottom of that opening once you remove this. As you can see, it just slides down for me. See that? All right, so the new stem goes in the same way the other one went out. Only difference I usually do is I put a little bit of lube at that part. I use silicone oil spray, just a little, and then you have one of these, and what it does is connects to the valve stem, and you just yank it out. You slowly pull it in until you hear it pop in place. That's pretty much it, and after that you reverse all the process and you're pretty much done. All right, last part of the step, just air it up. That's pretty much it. Hope this video helps somebody else. So anyways, this is not a how-to video. This is just me trying to fix and repair stuff that is not working for me. All right, thanks guys, have a good one. Bye.